50 miles per hour expected. Where portions of eastern, northeastern, and southeastern Massachusetts and southern Rhode Island. When from 2 p.m. Tuesday to 2 p.m. Wednesday. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details: the peak of the wind will be Tuesday night. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive.